So today we're doing part 3 of 6 of Pat's trucks. Today we're doing 61. Here's the truck. We always do this after we're done pumping. Here's the pump. Here's the stuff that we let out oil. We have a good amount of tires on these. We have like only 4 to 5 hoses on these. Here's the N2 valve. This grease valve. Then here's the body. It can hold 6,500. Here's another thing that lets oil out, and here's another pump, and here's the box. Now let's go grab stuff for it's 21. Let's do this. So let's grab the oil and then the bucket. We need these because we need to empty oil and we need to put oil in every time before we go to work or do any jobs, I should say. First things first, you guys already know what we're going to do. If you didn't watch part 1, go see that. Or if you already watched it and haven't watched part 2, go do that. Now we're going to put oil in. But I'm going to have to switch you guys over to my other arm. Now we're putting the oil in. Now that we're done with that, let's go put the oil away. Not away, first we'll have to look at the bucket. But first I'm gonna put this up so I don't forget. Now let's go over here. Here the oil is. Looks like it's still going up. So yeah, we always keep the ones in the first bay, then we put all the second, third, and fourth in their bays. Yeah, we already did part 2 is about 41. If I get enough likes, I'll do one of the porta potty trucks in here. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys.